Well, good morning to you. Good morning. It is today, Saturday, the 30th of January 2021. Now, in my last video, I said I was going to get a package delivered. Yeah, it wasn't that. I had to go and get that myself. Those of you learning French, béton, concrete, tells you what it is. Universal, 0 to 8mm ballast in it, made in France, and it's prêt à gâcher, ready to mix. But no, that wasn't what. Oh dear, that's in my way now, isn't it? I took this horrible door. It's going to come apart and become firewood and such likes, but it's now in my way for what I wanted to do. I'll use the top of the bag of concrete. Now, I mentioned that I was going to get a package and I wasn't too sure when it was going to arrive, but we've got a positive attitude. The package has arrived. Easy opening, easy to write on it. It's a European standard, that's a good thing, I guess. Now, I need to find out how to open. Look. So we don't need a carving knife. Need to put the camera down though. Now, this was brought to me by the ordinary postman. Yeah, and this is what it is. Haha, you can't see that in this light. Now, I decided that I wanted to build some buildings for the model railway layout. And you need a little bit of history here. I'm an Englishman, sorry, but I'm currently in rural France. And some of you may know that in recent times, England, which is part of the United Kingdom, has left the European Union. Argue amongst yourselves as to whether you think that's a good thing or a bad thing. Anyway, I thought the other night, do you know what? I want some buildings to go on my model railway layout. And I went online and I looked at various things, various companies that I've used in the past. And on most of their websites, there was a big warning that due to uncertainty about customs regulations, they had suspended deliveries to Europe. Ho-hum. Anyway, I then found this company, and I have no idea how good they are. I'm going to find out soon. And I ordered this. It's a little garage, commercial garage to go on the layout. And it's in HO scale and it's got dimensions and it's made in France and it is laser cut pieces. I think this evening we might open that and see how much progress we can make with it. I just found in the envelope was a little note saying, "Merci, Sylvain." Someone saying thank you for me placing an order with them. I've got no commercial involvement with this company, but some of you might like to look at that website and see the sort of things that they make. At the moment, I don't think they'll post anything to England at the moment.